George doesn't like playing on his own. George wants to play too.
No, George.
You gonna sit and watch TV?
I'm playing with Susie. You have to play somewhere else.
He almost
George
had
wants
it.
to play with Peppa. He feels a bit lonely.
George, I need some help. I'm making.
No, Mama. I want to be.
Oh, I guess you do.
I want to be free spirited right now.
All right.
Someone needs to lick out the bowl.
George likes helping Mummy make cookies,
What a
but
bone.
he likes playing with Peppa more.
Goodness.
Booga booga. Are you supposed to be in that drawer? Are you supposed to be in that drawer? I don't think so. But that is where those go, yes. You can put them away. Good job, Caleb. Can you clap? Can you put them away? Can you close the drawer? Can you close it? Close it. Close. Can you close it? Really wish I knew what you were saying. Caleb. Can you close it? Caleb. Can you close the drawer? Let's not play with the diaper genie, please. No, no. Stinky, stinky. Hey. Yes, close it. Caleb. Close it. Leave it alone. No, no. Hey. Were you supposed to do that? Pick it up.